Cruise control is available on the CRF 1100 Africa Twin and Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES. To activate cruise control on a manual Africa Twin or Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES, you must be traveling between 50 and 160 kilometers per hour between 4th and 6th gear. For dual clutch transmissions, you must be between 3rd and 6th gear. Begin by pressing the main cruise control switch on the right handlebar. The cruise control indicator will illuminate to confirm that the system is now in standby mode. To set the cruise speed, accelerate to the desired speed and then push the cruise control lever down to set minus. The set icon will appear to confirm that cruise control is now active, and the set speed will be shown on the touchscreen. To adjust your cruise speed after it's set, simply push the cruise control lever up or down. Cruise control can be canceled anytime by pressing the main cruise control switch again. Note that cruise control will automatically deactivate if any of the operating conditions are no longer met. For full operating details and system limitations, please check out the owner's manual.